Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, no makeup, hair not done, but I needed to come on here because I'm getting ready to do a giveaway and I don't want you guys to miss it because I can't get my shit together. So, here we go. I was going to do a review on the Beetles gel polish that I got off of Amazon that they said was a Valentine's Day set. But when I got it in the mail, I realized it was the set that I already have. So it's pinks. It's the pink set. I believe mine's a flamingo. I think is when I bought it. It's got pinks and it's got a white. I don't need two sets, so I'm gonna pass it along to you guys. But there's a catch. So behind the scenes here, we have been very busy getting a website up for nail supplies. So to be entered in the giveaway, you can go to the Instagram page and the Facebook page and hit like and comment giveaway with your name and share the pages to be entered. The website is Gemini Nail Supplies. Facebook page, same, Gemini Nail Supplies. Cute little peacock. So let me just show you some of the things that are on there. We're growing, we're building, so don't be too harsh. Cute little butterfly. For summer coming, once we get out of this funky winter. So we've got glitters. We've got some custom glitter blends. Look at the ocean, isn't that pretty? That's Neptune. There's a real pretty pink one. That's Sangria. So we've got some stuff like that. We've got some of the stickers that you would have for the nail art. There's a collection of those. We've got some line stripes. I use these a lot in my nail art. I love them. They're super adhesive. They work really, really nicely. Chromes. Whole set of chromes. Best chromes you're gonna find. They are excellent. The colors are vibrant. They're perfect. So there's a large selection of chromes there for you to check out. We have some micro sugar holographic glitters as well, a collection of those. We've got some nail art tools over there. This is the dual-ended crystal paper wrapper. Wax pen, dual-ended wax pen, I think is how it's listed on the website. We have a variety of art brushes. Aren't they pretty? Oh, I just love the colors. So pretty. One of the newer things that we have in is some of the foils for embellishments on the nails. There you go. So there is a lavender lighter colored one. There is a darker purple colored one. A pink. Ooh, it's gonna fly away. Where am I at? There we go. That's better. And then a gold. So I just wanted to be able to come on here and give you guys just a little sample of some of the stuff that we have there. Stuff that we'll be getting in. We keep getting new products in. There are rhinestones there. Really cute set coming in that is, I have it in, it's just not on the website yet. And it is neons. And it is a box of 6 summer neon gemstones for nail art. Very cool. very fun, very bright. I've got a couple Swarovskis that are going to go up there, but those are extremely super limited. So once those are up, they will probably go fast. So rules. Go to Gemini Nail Supplies on the Instagram page. Like, share, comment, giveaway with your name. Same thing, Gemini Nail Supplies Facebook page. Like, share, comment, giveaway with your name. See, when should we be giving it away? When do you think? How long do we give them? Because today is January 25th. Let's make it a Valentine's giveaway. How about that? How about on Valentine's Day, we will pick a random winner and I will get in contact with you and we will get your stuff shipped out. And it's just going to be a mirage, a slew of the extra things that I have there, samples from the website, the Beatles set for pinks, some stones, some decals, some glitters, just stuff that I want you to have fun with and create with and be you with. So good luck. Have fun. Yeah, and share, absolutely. Share, please share. We are working very hard to get stuff to you that can help you be the best nail tech that you can be. So whether you're at home or in a salon, I don't really care as long as you're doing what you do. So thanks. See you later.